Effect of adrenaline on blood pressure. Adrenaline acts on alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2 and beta 3 receptors. Its cardiovascular effects are mainly due to beta 1 stimulation of the heart and alpha 1 beta 2 effects on blood vessels. First, let's discuss the normal administration of adrenaline. Adrenaline, while acting on beta 1, leads to stimulation of heart resulting in increases heart rate, force of contraction, and cardiac output. Adrenaline, when acts on alpha 1, leads to stimulation of blood vessels, resulting in vasoconstriction, increasing peripheral resistance, and blood pressure. Adrenaline via beta 2 stimulation, leading to vasodilation, particularly in skeletal muscle vessels. This contributes to the subsequent fall in BP. Moving to the biphasic response. Adrenaline administration leads to initial rise in BP due to alpha 1 mediated vasoconstriction and beta 1 mediated cardiac stimulation, followed by fall in BP due to beta mediated vasodilation, especially in skeletal muscle vessels. So what is this vasomotor reversal of Dale? When an alpha blocker is administered before adrenaline, the usual initial rise in BP is abolished and adrenaline produces only a fall in BP. Mechanism. Adrenaline alone causes vasoconstriction via alpha 1 and beta 1 leads to cardiac stimulation, resulting rise in BP, followed by beta 2 vasodilation, resulting fall in BP. After alpha blocker, alpha 1 mediated vasoconstriction is blocked. Beta 2 mediated vasodilation remains unopposed, and the response seen is fall in BP. This phenomenon is called vasomotor reversal of Dale. Easy memory line. Adrenaline rise, then fall. Alpha blocker plus adrenaline fall only.